Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. I'm in sunny Barcelona where it's going to be raining all week, but we are here for ISE 2026. It's going to be an amazing show. It's a humongous show. We are showing Jetbot Drawings floor plans. Many of you know that we've been creating schematics and we've been creating rack elevations. Well, we are showing now floor plans where you take your architectural plan and Jetbot will place all of your items in your project into their appropriate spaces with color coding and custom labeling and all of that. So come by and check that out. If you don't find yourself in Barcelona this rainy week, then give us a shout and we will show it to you on Zoom anytime at your convenience. So that's what's going on with Jetbot Drawings. And also, we have been promising you Launch List 2, the sequel. Subtitle, It Gets Launchier. These are all requests that you guys have turned in both at Jetbuilt Summit last September in Nashville, or October it was, as well as all year long through support and at the other shows where you come up and you request certain things. Once we kind of validate and make sure more than one person wants it, and we kind of prioritize them, we've got a fantastic list. It is packed full, and over the next few months we will be building this list. You can track it on the website. The entire list is here in this email, so check that out. I guess that's about it. It's going to be a great show. Come by and say hi. Until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.